going on, beautiful people? We are here at Universal Studios for their premiere night for our annual pass holders. So it's a super cool event. You know, basically it's like a park after dark, and I'm super excited to be here. Mostly to check out all the new HHN stuff that has been put up. All the scare zones are pretty much ready to go because the event starts in just a few days. I think 13 days to be exact. Just get into the details of all of this. Toxic City BuzzCon Industries responsible. They have all of these vintage magazines. It's supposed to be like a toxic chemical spill that caused all these people to turn into like these toxic zombies. They all turned into monsters, and I'm so excited for this area. Look at all the green, neon green, toxic ooze. This is a vibe. Oh my God, I love it. So excited for spooky season, and I cannot wait to experience this year's HHN. Okay, so one thing that I will say about today especially is that we're getting to the park. Well, we just got in a few minutes ago. It's currently like about 6:30, 88 degrees right now. It doesn't sound too crazy, but it's definitely muggy. Muggy-ana Dupree for sure. I'm probably gonna get myself a new annual pass freestyle cup because the new one that just came out is super cute, and it has all the nostalgia. It has all the characters that I love. Primarily, it has E.T. front and center. Coming up, we are in Club Horror. Club Horror Scare Zone. It's gonna be like a DJ. They're gonna have zombie dancers everywhere. I think the side is gonna be really cool, and this is the first time that they're doing this in this area, so I'm super excited to check it out. Club Horror. Got the platforms, got all of the lighting. All right, beautiful people, how's it going? We are here reporting live from Universal Studios Orlando, Florida, and we are at the Universal Orlando Annual Pass Holder event, Park After Dark. It is an event that is exclusive to annual pass members, and basically Universal just closes down the park to regular guests and allows you to be in here and ride everything. All the attractions are open. They have some meet and greets with some characters, and they also give away some free stuff. So upon entry, we walked in and we got a really cool pin from Men in Black, Agent F, the pug. We got his pin, and we also secured this magnet. This is not the magnet that I seen everywhere online yesterday for the AP event, because it's like part of this experience where it's like neon and it says UOAP pass holder night, but they were sold out, I think, or they were just out of it. And it was also pretty chaotic, if I could be completely honest. The start of this event does seem like Universal didn't work out all the kinks. Sorry, I'm just being honest. It was a lot of misinformation and pointing in all directions, but whatever, we're going with the flow and we're just having a good time. Let me show you the pin for the UO8P. Agent F as in Frank, an alien pug in disguise. He's really just one of the guys, well groomed and smooth in a tailored black suit. He's not gonna object if you call him cute. And we also secured the annual pass holder cup for this season, which I love primarily because this little guy right here, my best friend, E.T. is here. And the cup is just like, it's a vibe. It's really nice. The aesthetic, I feel like it goes with everything because it's not gonna clash with the ensemble, if you know what I mean. There's also going to be a lagoon show tonight, so we're going to be able to get some footage of that. I haven't seen that show in so many years, so I'm excited to see what, you know, new iterations they brought, new drone effects that they included, the music, everything. One of the main things that I was really looking forward to when I was coming to the AP nights was to check out all of the HHN scare zones that they have set up and get into the details, which I absolutely love as like a merchandiser and a person who loves like set design and things. I think that they always knock it out of the park. Also see all of the new HHN merch that they have, and I'm gonna pick up some mystery pins so we could do like a mystery unboxing. So this is gonna be a great time. Let's go have some fun. You already know, your boy John, delivering the vibes as always. So let's go. couple years ago, Little Boo was discovered, and he's been everywhere ever since. And now we're back, and I'm at Cat Lady of Crooked Lane Scare Zone, and I think I found the pumpkin of this season. He's right over here. He's so cute. Let me show you what he looks like. He's adorable. If that was Little Boo, this should be Big Boo. Look at Big Boo. Deep in the forest on Halloween night, the trickiest or treaters follow moonlight. The naughty children that dare to explore the old crooked lane along the forest floor, cat eyes and pumpkins line the dim trail to the cat lady's house, so withered and frail. Period. The old cat lady of Crooked Lane stands on her stoop, stirring her cauldron of special soup. She's not a witch, the children all say, as she pets her cats of orange, black, and gray. She lifts her ladle and offers a taste. They drink it all down, and not a drop goes to waste. The potion sets in, turning hands into claws, and long feline teeth patrol from their jaws. The children all scream as they become beasts and now hunt their friends to add to the feast. The moral of the story, and it should be plain, never trust the cat lady of old Crooked Lane. Wow, look at all the stuff. All the details, the attention to detail, that's insane. Little pumpkin. Oh, look at the little bone, wind chime.
Evil dies tonight. There's
Oh, look at the yarn ball, how big it is. This is gonna be so spooky at nighttime. What?
Socks.
He has a collar of puppet. Look at that. That's so funny. Yo, the detailing is so incredible. Look at the big fur ball. Ew. So gross. That looks so gross. The detail. Look at this. Let's go. So there is definitely a storm brewing. The wind is blowing. I could smell it in the air. Something magical happens when the lights come on at night. This place just comes alive. It's a full different experience. Like if you've never stayed in the parks until late, I would definitely recommend doing it. Experiencing some downfall right now. It is raining, unfortunately, so we might be calling it a night. Florida weather, that's what happens. You can always expect a rain shower. Look, the meet and greet for Elphaba, and let's do it. Come on, it's not even that long. Let's go. We're gonna see Elphaba and Glinda. It's good to see me, isn't it? So we had to pivot because the line closed to see Elphaba and Glinda. Due to the weather, they didn't want to have people like waiting online to see them. So we got to see them from afar and say hello or talk about the wizard from afar. Now we're just shopping. A lot of people online have been going crazy over this popcorn bucket. This Hello Kitty, Chucky combination. The popcorn goes inside here. Wait, how do I even open this? How do you open this? How do you get the popcorn inside? Oh, the Hello Kitty lifts up. Popcorn goes inside there. Your first refill of popcorn is going to be free, and it's $29.99. Comes with a little strap, and I believe that she actually works, like she actually drives. So that's exciting. Yeah, you can turn it on and off. The wheels move. Super cute, look at that. Toothless popcorn bucket. Ears flap, he moves around. Wings flap. Oh, he is so cute. Look at this. Total vibe. Total vibe. There's the dino bucket. Popcorn goes inside. You can hear it. Oh, he makes all these sounds when you open it. His eyes move around. Look at this. Where is he looking? Where is he looking? Where is he looking? This one's super cute too. See, the thing is that I don't know if I would use this for popcorn. I love popcorn, but not to be like walking around all day with this. But for the kitties it's so cute. Obviously, I'm at Universal Sweets. I'm about to go get some candy apples. Maybe a Berkey. Who knows? Should I do the Jaws candy apple? The witch cookie hat? Or should I just stick with my ET and eat ET cake? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about eating him. Just went to the gift shop as well to try to see if I could find some mystery pin packs, and they had absolutely none anywhere. In any of the souvenir shops that I went to, there was only like the regular walls of pins, but there was no mystery pin packs, and I'm so bummed. So tomorrow, when we head to Disney Springs, I'm gonna just have to do a Disney mystery pin pack. If you know, you know. I am Universal through and through, so it is what it is. I'm gonna have to just deal with doing a Disney little moment for the vlog, but no beef, no issues. It's all love. We love Universal, we love Disney. What is going on with ET's eyes over here? ET is looking a little special right here. What is this? Unbelievable.